Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you on how to unmute notes on Instagram. If you've been missing out on important notifications, this updated tutorial will help you regain control. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you have the latest version installed for a seamless experience. Step 2. Tap your profile picture located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. Next, tap the 3 lines at the top right corner of the screen. This will open the menu options. Step 4. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. Step 5. Within the settings, tap Notifications to manage your notification preferences. Step 6. Now, tap Quiet Mode to review your current notification settings. Step 7. Finally, turn off Quiet Mode to unmute your notes and receive notifications as usual. And there you have it. You've successfully unmuted notes on Instagram. Stay connected and never miss an important update again. Remember, it's essential to customize your notification settings to suit your preferences. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.